Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. I congratulate you on behalf of আমার অনলাইন স্কুল জেলা শিক্ষা বিভাগ. At first I introduce myself. I am Poppy Mondal, head teacher, Kobirajbari Government Primary School. I have come to teach you the student of class 5 English subject. Dear students, would you like to sing a song? I think you want to listen a song. Okay, dear student, let's start with audio. Dear students, let's sing a song with audio. In the morning we tell us to rise, he who has slept will never be wise. From early to read and early to rise, is a way to be happy and healthy and wise. Thank you dear students for your active participations. I hope you will enjoy the song very much. Dear students, previous class, what you have learned, can you remember? I think you can remember. Telling the time. You have learned how to tell time. Okay, dear students, now we are going to our today's class. Students, welcome. Dear students, let's watch a wonderful presentation. Lesson identity, subject English, class 5, lesson unit 14, lesson title The Hare and the Tortoise. One day the race began. Dear students, what do you see in the picture? Can you guess? What do you see in the picture? What's this? A hare and a tortoise. Dear students, what do you know or what ideas do you have about forest and the animals of forest? তোমাদের কোনো আইডিয়া আছে বনের প্রাণীদের সম্পর্কে? বন এবং বনের প্রাণীদের সম্পর্কে তোমাদের কি কোনো আইডিয়া আছে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস? Yes, dear students, forest is an area surrounded by many trees, bushes and small plants, and many animals live in the forest. They are called forest animal. জঙ্গল হচ্ছে চারিদিকে গাছপালা দ্বারা বেষ্টিত ঝোপঝাড় চারা, যেখানে প্রাণী থাকে তাদেরকে যে প্রাণীরা বনে জঙ্গলে থাকে তাদেরকে বলে বন্যপ্রাণী বা ফরেস্ট অ্যানিমাল। হ্যাজ এনিওয়ান অফ ইউ এভার বিন টু দ্য ফরেস্ট? তোমরা কি কখনো জঙ্গলে গিয়েছো? ওকে, I say I went to Sundarban last year. And have you ever been to Sundarban? Dear students, how many of you have run a race or took part a competition? I think all of you took part the sports competition in your school. Okay, dear students, I had run a race in annual sports in my school, and you took part various kinds of sports in your school. Dear students, what do you watch in the video? What do you watch in the video? In the video, we see that a hare and a tortoise are taking part a race. Can you guess, dear students? Can you guess our today's topics? What is our today's topics? Our today's topics is the hare and the tortoise. A nice story, the hare and the tortoise. I write down the lesson title on the board and you write down the lesson title on your notebook. Dear students, the hare and the tortoise. Everybody write down the lesson title on your notebook. What can you see in the picture, dear students? And what are they? What are they doing? Dear students, you have watched a video and you know the hare and the tortoise are going to take part a race. What are they doing? Hare and the tortoise under a big tree and others animal come to see their race. The hare and the tortoise are running a race. What are the other animals doing? Other animals are watching. Why are they holding the twigs? Dear students, they are holding the twigs to decide who will win the race. Dear students, what are the tortoise I think you can say the answer. The hare is sleeping under a tree and the tortoise steadily one and one walk steadily one and one. The tortoise is walking steadily, but the hare is sleeping under a tree. Why do you think the hare is taking rest? Dear students, why do you think the hare is taking rest? Think. Yes, you are correct. The hare is taking rest for his overconfidence. What can you see in the picture? The picture, the tortoise races the finishing line and the hare is far behind. Dear students, who won the competition? You can see in the picture. Okay, you are correct. The tortoise won the competition. He is near the finishing line and the hare is far behind. Why do you think the tortoise won the competition? Think along, dear students. Think along. Because he continued his running without taking any rest. For this reason, the tortoise won the race. Dear students, let's introduce some new words. Fastest means able to move very quickly, very quickly, very quickly. सबसे द्रुत. Slowest, not moving quickly or not fast. सबसे धीर गतिर. Angry, feeling or showing strong annoyance. रागान्वित. Race, a competition between runners. दौड़ प्रतियोगिता. Win, to achieve first position. জয়লাভ করা. Agree, to have the same opinion. সম্মত হওয়া. Watch, to look or pay attention to what happens. দেখা. Beside, next to or at the side of somebody or something. পাশে. Dear students, open your English book at page 45. At first, I read the story. You listen carefully and you will put your finger under the lines. One day, a hare was walking in the forest when he saw a tortoise. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. The tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. The hare called out to the tortoise, "Hurry up, you are so slow. Can't you walk faster? Can't you run?" The tortoise felt angry and said to the hare, "Why don't we have a race? Maybe I can win." The hare laughed and laughed. "Sure, I will win," the hare said. They agreed to start next to be a big tree and finish at the river. Then they called their friends to watch. The hare stood beside the tortoise and the race began. Dear students, I again read and you will listen carefully and put your finger under the lines. One day a hare was walking in the forest when he saw a tortoise. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. The tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. The hare called out to the tortoise, "Hurry up, you are so slow. Can't you walk faster? Can't you run?" The tortoise felt angry and said to the hare, "Why don't we have a race? Maybe I can win." The hare laughed and laughed. "Sure, I will win," the hare said. They agreed to start next to be a big tree and finish at the river. Then they called their friends to watch. The hare stood beside the tortoise and the race began. Dear students, now it's your turn. You will read the story silently. After finish your silent reading, I will ask you some questions. So be careful, dear students. Dear students, have you finished? I think you have finished your silent reading. My first question is, who was the fastest and who was the slowest animal in the forest? So I think you can give the answer. Okay, you are correct. The hare was the fastest and the tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. Thank you very much. Dear students, why do you think the tortoise want to have a race with hare? The hare laughed at the tortoise. Next question, where did they start to the race from? কোথা থেকে শুরু করেছিল dear students? Okay, they started their race next to a big tree. Thank you very much. Where did they finish? near the river. They finished their race at the river. What was the hare proud of? The hare was proud of his speed. Dear students, write down a word. Now it is time to one day one word. Open your one day one word notebook and write down this word, angry. Angry, Bengali meaning raganito. Make sentence with angry. The tortoise felt angry. You can write another sentence as you wish. Now is time to your homework. Dear students, write down why did the tortoise want to run a race. Write in 3 sentences. Why did the tortoise want to run a race? Write in 3 sentences. Dear students, thank you dear students. We are end of the session. Dear students, thank you very much. You stay at home and you will follow the rules of health and wash your hands with soap and hand wash for cleaning for 20 seconds. Eat vegetables and fruits. Goodbye students. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go away. Goodbye, goodbye. I wish you a good day. Goodbye students. See you next class. Bye bye.